How to restore an iPad after a factory reset. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with the answers. Part 1. How to restore iPad after factory reset without data loss. If your iPad was factory reset but you had previously created an iTunes or iCloud backup, you can easily restore your iPad from the backup. While Apple provides official methods, a tool like Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery gives you more control by allowing selective recovery from backups, so you don't have to restore everything and overwrite current data on your iPad. To make iPad data recovery after factory reset from iTunes backup, Step 1. Launch the program after installation and select the Recover from iTunes Backup File option located at the top left of the screen. The software will automatically detect the iTunes backup location on your PC. Choose the backup file from the list that appears and click the Start Scan button. Step 2. Select the data types you want to recover by ticking the boxes, then click the Start Scan button in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Click on a category, then choose the specific deleted files on the right-hand side. To restore your files from the iTunes backup, click on the Recover to Computer button. Your iTunes backup will be restored to your computer. To make iPad data recovery after factory reset from iCloud backup, Step 1. Open the software and switch to Recover from iCloud mode. You will be prompted to sign into your iCloud account. Enter your credentials to continue. Note, if two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the verification code sent to your iOS device and click Verify to proceed. Step 2. Choose the file types you wish to recover, then click the Next button to begin a quick scan. This will allow you to preview the details of your iCloud backup files. Step 3. After selecting the files you want to restore, click the Recover to Computer button to save them to your device. Part 2. How to recover lost data from iPad after reset from iTunes backup. If you have previously backed up your iPad using iTunes, you can use that backup to restore your data after a factory reset. However, you cannot preview or select specific files. More importantly, this method will completely overwrite all existing data on the current iPad, so make sure there is no important new data on the device. Step 1. Open iTunes on your computer or Finder if you're using macOS Catalina or later. Step 2. Connect your iPad to the computer using a USB cable. Step 3. Click the device icon in the top left corner to go to the iPad summary page. Step 4. Click Restore Backup and select the backup you need from the list. Step 5. Click Restore, and the system will begin restoring the backup to your iPad. Step 6. Wait for the process to complete. The device will automatically restart and return to the backup state. Part 3. How to restore iPad after factory reset from iCloud backup. If you enabled iCloud backup before performing a factory reset, you can select Restore from iCloud backup during the initial setup of your iPad, allowing you to restore your data without the need for a computer. Step 1. After completing the factory reset on your iPad, restart the device. Step 2. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language and region and connect to a Wi-Fi network. Step 3. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, select Restore from iCloud Backup. Step 4. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Step 5. The system will list available backup records. Choose the one you wish to restore. Step 6. Wait for the restoration process to complete. The device will automatically restart and restore the backup data.